Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I have this sharp TV. When we turn on, sometimes there is display and screen flashes. Sometimes there is display, sometimes no. Standby light. When I powered on, it is not turning on. When I power it on, immediately it goes to flashing red. That is fault light. Sharp LC40L550M. It works normally, then the colors are finished. Sometimes it is working, it is giving lines. Sometimes it is not turning on. And sometimes it is turning on, and after 2-3 minutes its screen disappears and the standby light starts flashing, blinking. That is software issue. The first option, hard reset. If it is not making good hard reset, that time you need to reprogram its EEPROM. First I will make hard reset before opening its back cover. Remove all the cables, plug it out for at least 1 minute. Now identify the keys. Here is power button, menu, TV, that is input button, channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down. To force it to reboot, volume down and input button. When it will turn on, then we need to enter volume down and channel down. Let's do it. Here are keys. In the top there is power button, then menu, then there is input button, power, menu, input, that is TV and video, then channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down. In the first step we will press volume down and input button together, and I will plug in the power socket, and the buttons will remain pressed in. It will enter into service mode. It will take around 10 seconds. After that, we will press volume down and channel down together. The last key in the bottom side, that is volume down and input button. Now I will plug in. Status light white. It is now reboot. Here is model number 40-inch sharp model CVBS COMP. Now press volume down and channel down together. This is 9-page menu. Channel up, channel down to swap the pages. Volume down, volume up to make changes. I am using volume down key to change the values. If you are not sure about the values, don't change anything. I will select Middle East. Now 1, 2, 3 input button. Now it is okay. That it is factory initialized. Now it will not respond to any keys. Just plug it out. Plug in again. Power on. Now status light is white, and here are initial setup menus. Input button, okay. Sound, okay. Searching for channels, I don't want to search channels. Now I will connect HDMI cable. Power on. Input button. Yes. Audio is increasing, decreasing.
Let's repeat it.
Channel up down, input button, menu and power off. All keys are working good. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.